Seeing anger in a dream. Leaving one's home angry in a dream means entering a prison. If one gets angry for material gains in a dream, it means that he has disdain and contempt toward God's religion. However, should he get angry in his dream to defend God's rights, then it means gaining strength and power. Becoming angry for someone else's sake in a dream signifies a corrupt contract, a tainted agreement, a marriage consent with a hidden intent of a divorce to follow, fighting for unlawful earnings, or it could mean accumulating money from usury. In a dream, usury and anger mean falsehood in wakefulness.